Alright, you guys, I just wanted to show you a trick or a little tip to how to apply vinyl to curved surfaces such as these. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this ornament over and we're going to use the back side of this. Okay, and we're going to use this little snowflake. Okay, so a couple things to keep in mind when applying decals to curved surfaces such as Christmas ornaments or any kind of just curved surface, tumbler cups, whatever. Is the bigger you make it, the harder it is to get on there, okay? So, and then you want to stay away from things that are perfect circles because getting a perfect circle on here just won't work. You don't have enough surface area for a perfect circle to fit on here, okay? So you want to try to stick with things that are kind of a plus shape, or even like the snowflake, how it has up, down, left, right, but it's not all connected all around. Okay. So here's a trick. So you take your decal and you're just going to make little cuts in the transfer tape and the backing paper so that we can maneuver that around to get it to all fit. Okay, so it should look like this. We're going to take this off the backing. All right, and then to apply this, put that there, and we're going to work our way from the center out. So we're going to go straight up, get this piece where it goes, down. All right, now this little thing, we're going to get this one. And you'll notice, because we made this slits, the transfer tape's able to overlap each other. So that will help a ton of getting your decal to lay flat onto your object. So we're just going to do one little section at a time. Smooth that down, and then we can take our transfer tape off. And there you go. Now your decal's applied without buckling anywhere. Same thing on this side. I hope that helps. Just a little trick to help y'all do that. Y'all have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you soon. Bye.